I'm joined now by Genevieve Sylvia, Pewabic Senior Designer, who's going to talk a little bit about what the process is if you want to design a custom tile project of your own.
Thanks, Steve. First thing we'd like to have customers do is give us a call, and maybe we're going to schedule you virtually or in person. During that initial consultation, we'll ask about your vision for the project. We'll start by looking at photos of your space and reviewing your dimensions to help us better understand your specific environment. After looking through our project portfolio and binders for inspiration, we will walk you through your tile options. We'll help you choose the field tile profiles and patterns for your project, thoughtfully selecting accent tile, trim, decorative borders, and all the details that make the project uniquely yours. Next, we will explore our collection of proprietary glazes, from peacock blue and bay leaf green to creamy alabaster and earthy neutrals, as well as our iconic iridescent glazes. Now we're ready to create drawings to share with you. You'll have an opportunity to discuss these with your designer to make sure we've landed on the design and color palette that meets your vision.
Okay, so what happens now you've got your design? What happens next?
Now the excitement of seeing your project come to life begins as your tile passes through the hands of the makers. Plaster molds are pulled and prepped. Clay is cut and pounded into shape for each individual tile that is needed for your project. Your tile may be pressed in a few different ways. Architectural tile are generally pressed using our hydraulic ram presses, with each tile getting cleaned and finished by hand. Many of our decorative embossed accent tiles, including borders, are pressed by hand in plaster molds. Trim are extruded and cut to length specified by your final design. From there, your tiles go through their first kiln firing, called the bisque firing. The tiles are unloaded from the bisque kiln and move into the glaze room. To ensure that your selected glazes meet expectations, each glaze is carefully sprayed onto your tile to achieve a specific glaze thickness. Creating the color results within our desired range of variation is critical. Pewabic tile have inherent variation of surface, color, and texture, which helps identify the finished work as Pewabic. The sprayed glaze tile then travels into the kiln room. They are carefully loaded into kilns for their final glaze firing. This is a high firing that reaches over 2,300 degrees, making our tile perfect for walls, floor, and certain outdoor settings. The lustrous iridescent tile gets the additional glaze applied to their surface and go through a third and final firing. After your tiles cool, they're unloaded and carefully inspected for color and quality. Depending on the project needs and details, our team of makers may begin the process of laying out and arranging your order on our kiln room floor. This added layout process ensures that each custom piece properly fits, glaze colors are correct, and that all the details are realized. Every tile for your custom project is made to order for you. Passing through our tile maker's hands, carefully attending to the tile details, results in a project that will live and be enjoyed in your space for decades to come. So if you're considering Pewabic, we really would like you to call down, talk to our design team members, schedule an in-person meeting or a virtual consultation. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you.